Welcome to my channel, everyone. If this is your first time here, get ready for some seriously delicious food. We're talking the kind of food that makes you want to do a happy dance in the kitchen. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future culinary adventures. Hey everyone, today we're diving into 10 mouth-watering pasta-baked meals that you absolutely need to try. We've got cheesy, we've got meaty, we've got something for everyone. These recipes are so good, you'll be licking the plate clean. Let's get cooking. All right, first up, we're going full-on flavor with this cheesy bacon and cauliflower explosion. I'm talking crispy bacon, tender cauliflower florets swimming in a creamy cheese sauce, all baked to golden perfection. Trust me, this one is a game changer. For this masterpiece, you'll need 1 pound of your favorite pasta. I'm going with penne today, 1 pound thick-cut bacon, diced, 1 head of cauliflower cut into florets, 1 onion, chopped, 4 cloves garlic, minced, 4 tablespoons butter, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 4 cups milk, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now let's get that pasta cooking according to the package directions. We want it al dente, not mushy. While that's going, fry up that bacon until it's nice and crispy. Set it aside, but keep that precious bacon grease in the pan, folks. Saute the onion and garlic in the bacon grease until they're soft and fragrant. Now add the cauliflower florets and cook them until they're tender crisp. Time for the cheese sauce. Melt that butter in the pan, then whisk in the flour and cook for a minute. Gradually whisk in the milk until the sauce is nice and smooth. Now, stir in the cheddar cheese and mozzarella cheese until they're melted and bubbly. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Now gently stir in the cooked pasta, bacon, and cauliflower. Pour everything into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish and bake for 20 minutes or until golden brown and bubbly. Boom! Get ready for round 2, because we're upping the ante with this sausage, chicken, and bacon triple threat pasta bake. We're talking a flavor explosion in every single bite. This is comfort food on another level. Here's what you need: 1 pound pasta. I'm using rigatoni for this one, 1 pound Italian sausage, 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces, half a pound bacon, diced, 1 onion, chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 28-ounce can crushed tomatoes, 1 15-ounce can tomato sauce, 1 cup chicken broth, half a cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 2 teaspoons dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, and salt and pepper to taste. All right, let's crank that oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook that pasta al dente according to the package directions. While that's going, brown the sausage, chicken, and bacon in a large skillet. Drain off any excess grease. Add the onion and garlic to the skillet and cook until softened. Stir in the crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, chicken broth, heavy cream, parsley, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. Bring it to a simmer and let it cook for 15 minutes, allowing those flavors to really meld together. Now stir in the cooked pasta and pour everything into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Sprinkle with some mozzarella cheese for that extra cheesy goodness. Bake for 20 minutes or until bubbly and heated through. Get ready for a flavor explosion. Get ready for the ultimate comfort food mashup, ravioli lasagna. We're taking 2 classic dishes and combining them into one epic creation. This is pure cheesy, saucy, carb-loaded heaven. For this masterpiece, you'll need 1 28-ounce package frozen cheese ravioli, no need to thaw, 1 24-ounce jar of your favorite marinara sauce, 1 15-ounce container ricotta cheese, 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese, half a cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup chopped fresh basil, 1 egg, beaten, and salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9 by 13-inch baking dish. In a large bowl, combine the ricotta cheese, half a cup mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, basil, egg, salt, and pepper. Spread a thin layer of marinara sauce in the bottom of the baking dish. Top with a single layer of ravioli. Spread half of the ricotta cheese mixture over the ravioli. Repeat layers ending with remaining mozzarella cheese. Cover the baking dish with foil and bake for 30 minutes. Remove the foil and bake for an additional 15 minutes or until bubbly and heated through. Let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Get ready for some serious comfort food satisfaction. Chapter 4, Spaghetti Bolognese Bake, a classic reinvented. Get ready for a classic reinvented. This ain't your mama's spaghetti bolognese. We're taking it to the next level with a creamy, cheesy baked twist. Here's the game plan. 1 pound spaghetti, 1 pound ground beef, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 28-ounce can crushed tomatoes, 1 15-ounce can tomato sauce, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 cup ricotta cheese, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, and 1/2 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. First things first, crank that oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the spaghetti al dente according to the package directions. While that's going, brown the ground beef in a large skillet over medium heat. Drain off any excess grease. Add the onion and garlic to the skillet and cook until softened. Stir in the crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, parsley, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. Bring the sauce to a simmer and let it cook for 15 minutes, allowing those flavors to really meld together. Now, in a separate bowl, combine the ricotta cheese, Parmesan cheese, and mozzarella cheese. Spread half of the meat sauce in the bottom of a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Top with half of the cooked spaghetti, followed by half of the cheese mixture. Repeat layers, ending with the cheese mixture. Bake for 20 minutes or until bubbly and heated through. Chapter 5. Tuna Pasta Bake. Budget-friendly flavor bomb. Looking for a budget-friendly meal that doesn't skimp on flavor? This tuna pasta bake is the answer. It's creamy, cheesy, and packed with protein. Here's what you need. 1 pound pasta. I'm using penne for this one. 2 5-ounce cans tuna, drained. 1 10.75-ounce can condensed cream of mushroom soup. 1/2 cup milk. 1/4 cup chopped onion. 1/4 cup chopped green bell pepper. 1/4 cup chopped celery. 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, and salt and pepper to taste. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the pasta al dente according to the package directions. While the pasta is cooking in a large bowl, combine the tuna, cream of mushroom soup, milk, onion, green bell pepper, celery, Parmesan cheese, salt, and pepper. Stir in the cooked pasta until well combined. Pour the mixture into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Sprinkle with a little extra Parmesan cheese for that golden brown crust. Bake for 20 minutes or until bubbly and heated through. This is a great one to make ahead and reheat for lunch or dinner. Chapter 6. Mushroom mac and cheese. The ultimate indulgence. Get ready for the ultimate indulgence. Mushroom mac and cheese. This isn't your average mac and cheese. It's loaded with earthy mushrooms and a creamy, cheesy sauce that will have you going back for seconds and maybe even thirds. Here's the game plan. 1 pound elbow macaroni, 1 pound cremini mushrooms, sliced, 1/2 cup butter, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 4 cups milk, 2 cups shredded sharp cheddar cheese, 1 cup shredded Gruyere cheese, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon ground nutmeg. Let's crank that oven up to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the macaroni al dente according to the package directions. While the macaroni's cooking, melt the butter in a large saucepan over medium heat. Add the sliced mushrooms and cook until softened and lightly browned, about 5 to 7 minutes. Stir in the flour and cook for 1 minute, stirring constantly. Gradually whisk in the milk until the sauce is smooth. Reduce the heat to low and simmer for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Stir in the cheddar cheese, Gruyere cheese, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, and nutmeg until the cheese is melted and the sauce is smooth. Stir in the cooked macaroni until well combined. Pour the mixture into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Sprinkle with a little extra cheddar cheese and Parmesan cheese for good measure. Bake for 20 minutes or until bubbly and golden brown. Get ready for a fiesta in your mouth with this Mexican pork pasta bake. It's packed with spicy pork, black beans, corn, and a creamy, cheesy sauce that will have you saying, "Oh!" Here's what you need to get this party started. 1 pound pasta. I'm using rotini for this one. 1 pound ground pork. 1 onion chopped. 1 green bell pepper chopped. 1 15-ounce can black beans rinsed and drained. 1 15-ounce can corn drained. 1 1-ounce packet taco seasoning. 1 10.75-ounce can condensed cream of chicken soup. Half a cup salsa. Half a cup milk. 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. Half a cup shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the pasta al dente according to the package directions. While the pasta is cooking, brown the ground pork in a large skillet over medium heat. Drain off any excess grease. Add the onion and green bell pepper to the skillet and cook until softened. Stir in the taco seasoning, black beans, and corn. In a separate bowl, combine the cream of chicken soup, salsa, milk, cheddar cheese, and Monterey Jack cheese. Stir in the cooked pasta and the pork mixture until well combined. Pour the mixture into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Bake for 20 minutes or until bubbly and heated through. Top with your favorite taco toppings like sour cream, guacamole, and chopped cilantro. Who says lasagna can't be healthy and delicious? This creamy courgette lasagna is proof that you can have your veggies and enjoy them too. It's light, flavorful, and packed with nutrients. Here's what you need. 2 large courgettes, sliced lengthwise into thin strips. 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 1 28-ounce can crushed tomatoes, 1 15-ounce canned tomato sauce, 1/4 cup chopped fresh basil, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, salt and pepper to taste, 1 15-ounce container ricotta cheese, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, and 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the courgette strips and cook until softened, about 5 minutes. Remove the courgette from the skillet and set aside. Add the onion and garlic to the skillet and cook until softened. Stir in the crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, basil, oregano, salt, and pepper. Bring the sauce to a simmer and let it cook for 15 minutes, allowing those flavors to really meld together. Spread a thin layer of sauce in the bottom of a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Top with a layer of courgette strips, followed by a layer of ricotta cheese. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. Repeat layers, ending with mozzarella cheese. Bake for 30 minutes or until bubbly and heated through. Let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Get ready for the ultimate family pleaser, cheesy taco pasta bake. It's a fun, flavorful twist on taco night that everyone will love. Here's what you need to make this crowd pleaser: 1 pound pasta. I'm using shells for this one, 1 pound ground beef, 1 onion, chopped, 1 1-ounce packet taco seasoning, 1 15-ounce can diced tomatoes and green chilies, undrained, 1 10.75-ounce can condensed cream of chicken soup, 1/2 cup milk, 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1/2 cup shredded Monterey Jack cheese, 1/2 cup sour cream, and 1/4 cup chopped cilantro for garnish. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the pasta al dente according to the package directions. While the pasta is cooking, brown the ground beef in a large skillet over medium heat. Drain off any excess grease. Add the onion to the skillet and cook until softened. Stir in the taco seasoning, diced tomatoes and green chilies, cream of chicken soup, and milk. Bring the mixture to a simmer and cook for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Stir in the cooked pasta, cheddar cheese, and Monterey Jack cheese until well combined. Pour the mixture into a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Bake for 20 minutes or until bubbly and heated through. Top with sour cream and chopped cilantro before serving. Sometimes you just can't beat a classic. This classic baked ziti is simple, delicious, and always a crowd pleaser. It's the perfect comfort food for any occasion. Here's what you need: 1 pound ziti pasta, 1 pound sweet Italian sausage, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves garlic minced, 1 28-ounce can crushed tomatoes, 1 15-ounce can tomato sauce, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1 teaspoon dried basil, salt and pepper to taste, 1 15-ounce container ricotta cheese, 1/2 cup grated Parmesan cheese, and 1 cup shredded mozzarella cheese. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Cook the ziti pasta al dente according to the package directions. While the pasta is cooking, remove the sausage from the casings and crumble it into a large skillet. Cook over medium heat until browned. Drain off any excess grease. Add the onion and garlic to the skillet and cook until softened. Stir in the crushed tomatoes, tomato sauce, parsley, oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. Bring the sauce to a simmer and let it cook for 15 minutes, allowing those flavors to really meld together. Spread a thin layer of sauce in the bottom of a greased 9 by 13-inch baking dish. Top with a layer of cooked ziti, followed by a layer of ricotta cheese. Sprinkle with Parmesan cheese. Repeat layers, ending with mozzarella cheese. Bake for 20 minutes or until bubbly and heated through. Let it rest for 10 minutes before slicing and serving. Thanks for watching. Now you've got 10 epic pasta bakes in your cooking arsenal. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. And remember, Life's too short for boring food, so go ahead and treat yourself to a big old plate of pasta bake. See you next time.